Across borders and time zones, Codiant delivers AI-powered digital transformation with a unified global vision. Welcome to Codiant, where ideas meet intelligence the moment you step in. From strategy huddles to client breakthroughs, these spaces set the tone for meaningful collaboration. Smart, modern, and intentionally crafted, an environment designed to inspire clarity, focus, and creative problem-solving. At the heart of Codiant is our talent: developers, designers, analysts, architects, and product leaders working in sync to build scalable, secure, and future-ready digital products. Every workstation here is more than a desk. It's a launchpad where ideas turn into code, and code grows into AI-powered products. And to keep that momentum alive, agility guides everything we do, with daily scrums, live feedback loops, and a smooth workflow. As concepts evolve into products, our leaders sync on strategy and refine roadmaps so every AI solution drives impact, all reinforced by reliable, enterprise-grade infrastructure. With the foundation secured, this is where ideas mature, experiences are shaped, and solutions move closer to delivering real business value. Here's where people recharge, connect, and reset before the next wave of innovation. This is Codiant, redefining digital transformation through intelligent, AI-driven innovation.